Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to raise your hand in your Zoom meeting. Sometimes you might want to ask something but you don't want to disturb anybody. That's when raising hand comes to work. All you have to do is just click on the reaction and click on raise hand. Now as you can see, your hand is already raised. If you want to lower your hand, just click here. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.